Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela and I help women get to know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. If you all come back, this is you already subscribed, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, maybe consider subscribing, checking out the rest of my channel. I talk a lot about female hormonal health, carnivore diet, keto diet, insulin resistance and all that. So today I'm trying again to make these miracle noodles from Anne's Keto Asian Flavor channel. I tried the spaghetti before several times, I even made udons. I wasn't that successful, and so I saw she made like tagliatelle and it seemed pretty easy, so I thought, okay, let's give it a try, let's see how they come. As usually, I don't have much luck with this recipe, but yeah, let's have a look first. So I made the batter for the pasta with the usual recipe, 3 cups of filtered water, and then I used only 1 tablespoon of of sodium alginate. She uses 2, but if I added 2, usually it became like pudding, so I don't know if that's where I go wrong, because I should add more. And this time I added also turmeric powder alongside the whole egg powder. So you blend it for 3 minutes and then you set it aside and let all the bubbles surface. You remove the bubbles and then I use a tray to lay a layer of this batter, and on the side I made a calcium bath with 7 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of calcium lactate. And then what you're meant to do is slowly pour the calcium lactate solution onto this like layer of butter and try to get it nice and even so it sets. This whole process was an absolute nightmare for me. It wasn't, when I was pouring, the butter was separating, it was wrinkling, it wasn't setting on the bottom. I was letting it set for so long, like hours, and I was lifting it. There was a lot of like unset butter on the bottom, so I had to like keep turning it. Honestly, I was there all afternoon doing this thing. It just wasn't coming. So eventually I was able to create enough, like I was able to get all the pasta sheets set, and yeah, by turning it and making sure everything was set, and then all I did, it was slice them up into like fettuccine, which is not fettuccine by the way, it's fettuccine. And then I did the softening process, which is 3 cups of water, and then I believe it's 1 tablespoon bicarbonated soda and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then I just microwaved the bowl and added some Parmesan cheese and butter. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even want to try it, like it looked a little bit not appetizing. But I tried it and it's just, yeah, the consistency is like gelatinous. It's not pasta, so it's almost like a softened, how you call those, konjac noodles. So it didn't really convince me. But then I kind of stir-fried it in some chicken and vegetables and stuff like that, which wasn't bad actually. So yeah, I'm still puzzled. Like, I know so many people rave about this recipe saying it's amazing. I just can't find a way to do it. But yeah, please let me know in the comments below if you saw that I did some mistakes or you do it differently. What are the tricks? I don't know if I'll try again because it took me so long to make these pasta sheets. I was so exhausted by the end. But yeah, that was my another attempt making these miracle noodles from Anne's Keto Asian Flavor YouTube channel. Go and have a look to hers. She makes it perfect. I don't know how her come out so well. She even does like dumplings and things. But yeah, maybe one day. But yeah, I thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it and leave a comment. I want to know what you think as usual. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.